What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Coco with the Joneses Palette and Gardening Edition. Yes, I welcome you all here today for another video, and in this video I will be unpacking these seeds and trying to figure out what's all in them, but at the same time planting whatever it is in them, right? What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 Honestly, I buy seeds like some of you probably buy things off Amazon, and you just see things, you buy things, and then you end up getting those things, and you're wondering what's in those boxes that's at your door, okay? And I'm wondering what's in this bag that says seeds, right? But it's from my great people at seedsnow.com, which I'll put a link for the website down in the description so that any of your seeds needs, you can just click on the link, and it'll help a brother out too, because I'm an affiliate with seedsnow.com. And yeah, that we'll all be together in like buying seeds at random, but then being happy about what we ended up with, okay? And the way I'm gonna do these are in the seed trays, which I'm actually gonna do something different with these, which is grow them indoors. I've never grown seeds indoors, but for some odd reason I want to give it a try, and so this is the time in which I'm gonna do so with whatever seeds these are. And so hey, I mean, I buy seeds honestly on a regular, so I'm not worried. Oh, it's cool. So whenever you buy seeds from them, they do give you some free seed starter kit, and usually I get tomatoes. Well, I won't say usually. In previous times I've gotten tomatoes, bell peppers, and things like that. This time I have beets, so that's pretty cool. I do love beets, and I'll grow those in the winter, so cool. Oh, also I do have a 20% off card that expires at the end of this year. Oh, the mosquitoes are out. Oh my gosh. Hey. So actually I do have a coupon that I do want to share with you all. 20% off on the website. All you have to do is click the link below, use this coupon code, and you will get 20% off of your purchase, okay? So hey, I love you. All right, so one of the things that I have is some broadleaf sage. Okay. Oh, okay, this is what this is. So as you all see, I'm starting the front yard garden, and what I wanted to do is buy different herbs that are helpful and beneficial to keep away pests from my things that I'm growing in the garden, okay? So like the tomatoes, the cucumbers, and other things like that. These here herbs will help protect them from those pests. Okay, cool. I have thyme. And look how small those seeds are. This is what the seeds pack look like when you get them. I also have some oregano, which is pretty cool. Those seeds are so small, I had no expectations. I also have some chives. As you can see there, the chives, those are decent sized seeds, a lot bigger than the oregano. But I mean, hey, it's no competition. And then we have sage. This is sage, and these are some hefty type. Out of all of them, sage is the bigger of them all as far as seeds is concerned, but we'll see which one grows the fastest, because that's what really matters. So of course, my lovely kids, we speak to everybody, and that's what they're doing in the background. But at the end of the day, we're gonna go ahead and plant these seeds. Y'all are funny. Hello. All right, so the wind is blowing, so I'm gonna go ahead and do what I need to do. So I need to figure out how many of these I want to do of each, which I'm thinking about like 3 of each one. So I probably will only need 1 seed tray, since there are 4 different seeds. 3 of each one seed tray, in which I'm gonna use my Coco Coir seed starting medium. All right, in which all of this good stuff you can get off of Amazon, as far as the Coco Coir and the seed tray holders. I'll put links for those as well. So if you purchase them, I appreciate you for using the link, just like the other one. It helps me out as well. I'm affiliated with Amazon, so I appreciate you in advance for the love that's on the way. So what you wanted. All right, so I had a couple of technical difficulties with the weather being a factor. The wind is ripping. But nonetheless, go ahead and just spread out the Coco Coir, put it into the slots, expecting to yield 100% return. And so, hey, that's just what it's gonna be. So I'm gonna just make sure everything is nice and packed, because you do want to not have any air pockets as you're growing, when you're growing and doing things like that. Just want everything to be nice, strong, and healthy. And even with the Coco Coir, it's a sponge, so I mean, it's just gonna absorb the water, pack down nice and tight, and do what you want it to do. And like I said, I'm gonna grow it indoors, so I'm gonna grow it within a container so that, you know, with the holes at the bottom, I don't have to necessarily water the individual holes at the top, which you don't want to do. You want to water from the bottom, which encourages the roots of the plants to go down, to grow, to be nice and strong and things like that. So that's another reason why, you know, you want to do it that way. And I kind of messed myself up with my seed tray holder situations because I did drill holes in them, which, you know, I was a novice at the time, didn't know much about what I was doing. But now that I know more, I definitely want to share that information with you all so that we can all do well, grow well, and be happy with the results that we get. So with that being said, now I have all of my necessary areas filled as I want them to be. And now I'm just going to document which is which is something that I usually don't do. But like I said, I'm trying to do better, y'all. So this is what I'm going to do. So this one I'm going to denote as thyme, which is so cool how it's spelled as opposed to how we usually spell time. Like whatever. Sage, right? It's gonna go there like so, and then from there we're gonna roll into the chives, which I already have some chives growing in the back. You know, again, I came across some seeds and I buy seeds, okay? Whatever, it happens. I see seeds, I buy seeds, and then I end up with seeds, okay? That's why I have so many. All right, anyway, that's out the way. Judge me later. This is oregano. So now I know where everything should go, and accordingly I can go ahead and seed or plant or place or whatever you want to call it. But nonetheless, I'm going to put it in its respective hole, okay? That's what I'm actually going to do. And so I'm starting off with the oregano, which these seeds are so small. Oh my gosh. I got to figure out how I'm going to figure out if I plant. So I'm going to just use the bottom of my Sharpie pen, or the back of it, and just place my finger in there, which is crazy because like my hand is dirty, so I don't even know if it's my hand or the seeds. But I'm gonna be trusting that I'm putting seeds in here, and I'm probably putting so many, but whatever, it's the process. Price you pay, it's the chance you take, but we gonna make it happen, okay? So I will say, if you are growing oregano, just be prepared. If you have big hands, call a friend. You don't want to be doing this yourself. All right, so let's go ahead and plant the sage. Let me give a break to myself and planting, you know, the difficult stuff. Let's go ahead and put some holes in that bad boy and get about 2 seeds per hole. And these are easy. We could just drop these, right? Drop 2 seeds per hole, and it makes you happy, just like my kids. Sage dropped just like that. Put it all in there. Sage is done, right? Now we're 2 down. Let me go ahead and do my other holes. Yep, see you later. Good job, Ricky. Uh-oh. Be careful, Rain. All right, so now we're gonna go for the thyme. That's spelled differently than what we're accustomed to. Good job, Rain. Say adios.
Adios.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and plant the thyme. Thyme is very small too. Thyme is probably as small as the what was the other one? Oregano. So honestly, I'm hopeful for the oregano and the thyme, but hey, if it doesn't grow, it's because it didn't go in the hole in the first place. And that's just what it is. Now we're gonna move over to the the chives, and we're gonna finish off there. And you know, it's just that simple, from unboxing to putting it down to grow. Which chives, chives, these look like little like charcoal bits. If like you ever seen charcoal bits from a grill, you've seen chives. So honestly, that was probably like 4 per hole, and hopefully it'll be okay. And yeah, so that's what that is. That's how that goes. And with the Coco Coir already being wet, as you have to wet it before it expands to the size that it, you know, is able to be used, I'm good to go. I'm just put it in a container. It'll go back inside. Well, not back inside. It'll go inside. I'll put these back inside of their holder. And yeah, I appreciate you all. Like I said, if you haven't already done so, check out the link in the description to the Seeds Now website. where you'll find all different kind of seeds from $1. Like you can buy a pack of seeds, like 100, 200 type seeds for $1, okay? And it will come your way. Now it says, be cautious, it may take a while. It didn't. I ordered one day, and then like, honestly, I think it took like 4 days, and that was standard shipping. It came our way, so don't be worried about what they say. They just trying to protect themselves. All right, great people, so we have it all planted. I have it in its container where it's going to be, where it's going to grow, where it's going to be and mature. And you know, I keep you in line and aware of the progress as it grows, okay? Because we know it's going to grow. And if anything, you know, you're going to see it being planted in the raised beds in the front. So don't worry, we're going to see how it all goes down, how it all grows up at the end of the day. So I love you all. I appreciate you all. Like I said, check out all the links in the description below. It'll help me out when you purchase different things, okay? So why not? And subscribe if you're new to the channel. So many fun things that goes on this channel, okay? And I want you to be a part of it. And by subscribing and clicking the bell notification, you are aware of it all, okay? All right, beautiful people. Love you all. See you next time. Oh, the kids want to say bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Also, sing my song. I did my best. I did as good as I can. I'm ready to sing, but bye.
All right, we're saying bye-bye, Rain. Rain, you're saying a whole speech. We just say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
All right. Love you.